everyone, welcome back to Drive Smart, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore a true icon, the Aston Martin DB5. This car isn't just famous for its sleek design and stunning performance, it's a piece of automotive history. So, let's dive into what makes the DB5 so special. First off, let's talk about the design. The Aston Martin DB5 made its debut in 1963, and even today, it remains a symbol of timeless elegance. With its hand-formed aluminum body, this car is a perfect example of British craftsmanship. The long hood, distinctive grille, and smooth, flowing lines give it that classic, yet unmistakably Aston Martin look. And those iconic front fender vents, they're not just for show, they help to cool the engine and add a touch of flair. The chrome wire wheels, pop-out side mirrors, and those classic, round headlights all add to its vintage charm. It's no wonder this car was chosen as James Bond's ride in Goldfinger. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury. The DB5's interior is a blend of leather, wood, and chrome, giving it that quintessential 1960s luxury feel. Everything from the dashboard layout to the steering wheel is meticulously crafted. It's comfortable, stylish, and really transports you back to a different era. The seats are made of the finest Connolly leather, and the classic Smith's gauges on the dashboard give it a look that's both elegant and functional. While the technology may seem basic by today's standards, it was cutting edge for its time. Now, let's get under the hood, because the DB5 isn't just about looks, it's got the performance to back it up. The DB5 is powered by a 4.0-liter straight-six engine, producing 282 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. That might not sound like much compared to modern supercars, but remember, this was the 1960s. This engine was a beast for its time, offering a top speed of around 145 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time of just over 8 seconds. The engine is paired with a 5-speed ZF manual transmission, providing smooth and precise shifts. The DB5 also features disc brakes all around, which was a big deal back in the day and ensures that it handles as well as it accelerates. What makes the DB5 truly unique, though, is its cultural significance. Sure, it's a beautiful car with impressive performance, but it's also a pop culture icon. Thanks to its role in the James Bond films, the DB5 has become a symbol of style, sophistication, and class. Owning one isn't just about having a classic car, it's about owning a piece of cinematic history. The gadgets in the movie version, like the revolving number plates and hidden machine guns, might not be standard, but they sure do add to the legend of the DB5. So, there you have it, the Aston Martin DB5. A car that's as much about the experience as it is about the drive. It's a perfect blend of beauty, power, and history. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just a fan of classic movies, the DB5 is a car that captures the imagination and refuses to let go. Thanks for watching Drive Smart. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which classic car you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe.